Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to get W2 form from DoorDash. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, if you earn more than $600 in the current year on the DoorDash platform, you will receive a 1099 NAC form via our partner Stripe. So as you can see, starting in October of the year that you want to basically go through with the taxes, Stripe will email you your instructions on how to set up a Stripe Express account. Now you will need to create an account to access and download your 1099 tax form or W2 tax form. As you can see, we strongly suggest opting into paperless delivery. Agree to receive your 1099 tax form electronically via Stripe Express to ensure you receive your 1099 quickly. Now before mid-January, confirm your TKS information, your name, your address, your SSN, and make sure it's corrected via Stripe Express. And that information must match the information provided in DoorDash. Now the 1099 tax form will be available to download via Stripe Express if you agree to paperless delivery, and then your tax form will be mailed to you if you don't receive an email from Stripe. Now keep in mind to respect all of these steps right here in order to get your V2 or 1099. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.